This is the third one that's tried to swarm today. I caught two of them. And I'm hoping this is a practice swarm because I can't find a queen in that bunch. That storm last night really gave them an opportunity in this nice warm sunshine today to decide whether or not they want to hang around. First one went up in the big tree. Second one went up in that tree, caught both of them. Got one in a nuke box over here. They filled it up. I'll have to put it in a 10 frame real quick. And the next one was in that box that has the brick standing up on it. They're acclimating, but they're not really sure if they want to hang around. So here we go. I thought I was going to get lucky this year, but it didn't work out.